guys, it's your homie here, Steve What Else Gaming here. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, Steve What Else Gaming here. Today we're doing a Pixel Gun 3D gun review. Okay, honestly, I'm laughing my butt off right now. I was honestly recording a gun review. I was just saying out the same one I'm gonna record right now. And the thing that happens, my voice wasn't on. Like, you couldn't hear my voice at all. It was like nothing. There was nothing. It was just plain old blank gameplay. It was boring, so I just had to do this. Today we're gonna do the laser crossbow UP2. I was doing a gameplay earlier, and it sucked. Like I lost everything. I like the footage was boring because there was no freaking audio. It was good gameplay. Like there was good shots, good skills, like dude, good jukes and all that stuff. It was so good. So I lost it. Trying to go to a different one. Also, you might need your... Dang it, I keep on forgetting to do the freaking authority and all that stuff. I keep on forgetting that. I did that. I forgot that too in the other video, but you guys didn't hear me though. I was laughing my butt off in the other video. I was like, ah! And then like in this video, I laughed my butt off again. Like, my password was like, laughing your butt off in what video? But you can't hear my voice no more. That part, I only wasted my voice, so I wasted my voice the whole time. Wow. I was in Blockmart. It was my favorite map. Let's try to find a different map. Whoa, a hacked server. Whoa, Warhawks no kill. A hacked server. I don't know. Oh, that's not... Okay, let's try this. I'll try to play at school. I don't... What am I doing? Oh, I don't know. IDK. Nope, that's the wrong password. How are people getting inside there? Oh, they probably put a different password. Take turns winning. Factory. Knife. Person, I dare you to join. Oh yeah, I'll join. I'm definitely joining now. I'm okay. I'll take your challenge on. Look, I just joined. What you gonna do about it? I can just sit right here and not do anything. Probably got a good gun. Let's see about that. It's my job to do that. Wait, boy, grenade. Just granola you right now. Oh well, he dodged him. Who made the server? If it's that guy with a mine slasher, I think he's just gonna troll people. He just prototyped me. No, he just exterminated me. Well, I just headshot you, boy. I'm not gonna take any challenge down. Even if it's too tough, I'm still gonna do it. Oh my god, it's intense. Granola. What's going on? What the heck? Hold on a second. Where is he? Oh! Where was he? He's glitched. He glitched out of the map. That son of a poo. He's in the kitchen. He's in the kitchen. He's in the kitchen. Wait, hold on. I see you, boy. I'll throw a grenade at you. What the heck, dude? How did he escape? How did he get out? Oh, I know what he did. I think I know what he did. Hold on. I think he did the Lost Gaming hack. I mean the glitch. But he got out of the map. How? I think that's the guy who created the server. What the heck, dude? I can't even do the gun. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot through 2 walls. Where is he? I gotta find out who killed me. Oh, he's right there. How'd you do it? How'd you do it? Okay, I got. How did he do it? How did he escape the mountain at the fallen? I have to follow this fool. How is he gonna do the glitch? How does he do it? How did he do it? Okay. How did he do the glitch in the first place? I wanna know. Wow. Okay. That's crazy, dude. And everybody would do that. Wow. That's just insane, dude. I'm not gonna do anything. Look out! Easy. Took my freaking ammo. I'm so quiet for something. I'm just quiet because, like, I'm shocked. How did he escape through the map? How? How? I'm just, like, so shocked, guys. I can't even speak. I'm like, what? Oh, I got kill assist. Ah! Oh no, this is gonna happen now. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm not gonna end it. I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna bring it back when I'm done charging this phone. So I'm gonna start in a different match. Hopefully I can remember I was recording. Alright, back in a second, guys. Oh yeah, be back in a second, guys.